Rigby checking out the pond. Pretty windy out here today. Come on, Zero. So we're on one of our nature walks right now. And they guys come out here twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening. If it's not too cold, they swim. Or if there's not guys out there golfing, which there are right now, they swim. But we got a little pool for them to cool off at the house. They'll have some time to play together in the dog run. We'll play some fetch and maybe do some bite sleeve work or something with Rigby. Get them tired. No, Zero. No. Let's go. He keeps wanting to go swim, but there's golfers out there, so can't let him go. Good boy. I know you want to swim, but there's people over there. So if you have a dog that's a little more active, maybe doesn't do so well in a kennel, most of the time you're looking at 16 plus hours in the kennel at most places. You guys can come and board here, where the only time they're in the kennel is, like I said, when they need a timeout or they're going up for the night to go to sleep. The rest of the time we're doing walks, we're doing activities, and we're burning up that energy so they're not all pent up whenever you pick them up from just sitting around in the kennel not doing nothing all day. This is where we're a little more pricey than most kennels, but we do a whole lot more with your dog than most kennels as well. And like I say, whenever your dogs come and board with us, we treat them like family. They just get to do everything my dog Zero gets to do, which is a whole heck of a lot. They have that freedom, because all dogs, before they're allowed to board with us, have to go through our basic obedience, so that they follow the same commands as my dog does. And it's just easier to control them and give them that freedom. That most boarding places won't give them, especially these breeds, the Malinois. They usually, if they do get it let out of the kennel, they're let out, but they're by themselves, secluded. But these guys get to come out and interact and kind of do a little bit of everything. This is Jared and Zero working here with Rigby, who's boarding with us. Thanks for watching.